Hello, welcome to Life Service 2022. I thank God for taking you to 2021 and bringing you to 2022. We are life savers, as I made mention in the earlier video. We are life savers and we are only saving life of people. At the same time, we are business-oriented people. Okay, yeah. Do you want to make money? Eh? Once you also join us to be a lifesaver. Do you want to be an owner, or do you want to be an owner of your own business? Okay. Do you want to work on your own, either from home or from your own office, anywhere that you can? Do you want to work like that? Hmm? You might be doing something else, but you can even add this one. Even this one will be more lucrative if you can listen to me very carefully. I spoke about this in the previous video, but a lot of people thought we are like some of those people that do come out to scam people, but we are not here to scam. We are for business. Okay. If you really want to make money, eh, eh, to be a businessman or businesswoman of your own and really want to make money, come and buy this our product and resell. Okay. When you buy this product and resell, I promise you, your profit margin on only one is over 100 Ghana cedis. Yes, you can hear me clearly. I say your profit margin on only one is over 100 Ghana cedis. And even God will pass through this to open great doors upon great doors for you. Because this is a lifesaver. It's a drug. It's a very, very important drug that even when doctors tell patients that their time is up for them to die, when they take it, they never die. They live. Because what it does in the body is that it builds the cells of the body. God made our cells of the body in such a way that anytime something is wrong with the body, beyond repairs, our body have the ability of regeneration. Okay, yeah. Anytime any part of our body is in trouble, okay, that even doctors say they cannot do it, our body has that sort of capacity. God made it in a way that taking in certain substances like this that you needed to take, but a lot of people don't know. Taking it will let your body, your cells in the body regenerate and grow back. Provided, assuming it's your lung that is in trouble, and doctors detect that your lung is beyond repairs. Your kidney has spoiled beyond repairs. Okay? Your heart has spoiled beyond repairs. Okay? A lot of vital organs in your body are spoiled beyond repairs. So you just have to die. With this, all those cells of those lungs regenerate and form back. Okay? So when the doctor says no, through this, God says yes. Okay? Yeah. When the doctor says you will die, through this, God will wake you up. God will let you live again. Okay? Yes. When the doctor says diabetes, there is no cure for it. Through this, there is cure for it. Okay? It means anything that is dead in your body. Okay? When your cells are dead, when the cells, when you are affected by, example, diabetes, it means the cells of the skin, okay, are dead. All right. That is when you have, how do you call it? When you have the sore in there, the sore cannot heal. But with this, all those cells, dead cells of the skin, will be brought back to life. Okay. Anything that is dead in your body, taking this, it is brought back to life. Okay. So this is very, very important drug that is not common that we brought back. We brought to you. Okay. And if you are really serious, you want to make serious money out of, for your life, out of this, you can. Okay. Yes, you can. Because even some people are willing to sell their cars. To sell their cars to heal themselves. All right. Can you imagine? Even HIV. but don't tell anybody. Okay? Yeah. A lot of people are willing to what? To sell their properties to heal themselves. That is why I tell you that if you are really serious, God can pass through this to open great, great doors for you. All right? So this is a door opener. If you are really serious and you are attached and you want to make life out of this, get in touch. Get in touch. All right? Yeah. With this, even your beauty of people are restored. Wrinkles of faces are gone, because the facial cells that are there, that is where the wrinkles are formed in their faces. Okay, when they take this, all those cells are brought back to life. People become young again with this. It's not an easy thing over here that we have. It's a money making something that if your hand touches it and you can do well with it, God will pass through this to open doors upon doors for you. Okay? Yes. All right? So, you can buy this and resell. You can buy this and resell. If you have this, you buy it and resell. And I say your profit margin is over 100 Ghana on only one. Over 100 Ghana on only one. Just imagine. Only one can afford you 100 Ghana as a profit. Over. If you have this, you also get one. Sorry, you also get some. All right? Not one. If you have this, you also get some. All right? Yeah. If you have this, you also get some. The higher the capital or the higher the money that you have, the more the product. Okay? Yes. This is my number. Call me or WhatsApp me. All right? Yeah. I have a good news for all those that really want to do anything of this sort. They are business people. Okay? They know that their life, their entire life depends upon themselves. Okay? They are the only one that can struggle and make life for themselves. It means they believe that nobody is supposed to make life for them. They are the only one that's supposed to. They are very hardworking. Those are the people that we love. They know that there is no political party anywhere or government anywhere who come and do anything for them. Those are the people that we want. Okay? And if you are not of that sort and you are on our page, please leave. We are serious. If you are not of that sort, if you at this time of the world, you believe that it is this party A or party B, government B or government A, that will come before you make life for yourself, please leave our page. You are not for us. We are for serious people. We are for people that are industrious. We are for people that are job-oriented, people that are hustlers. We are for hustlers, okay? Those are the people that we are looking for. Those are the people that are ready to make life. And those are the people that we are ready to go with. All right? Yes. And if you are such a person, you always want to do this. But upon this small money that I show up, you don't have it. But you really want to do the work. Okay? You want to be a worker. I mean, you want to work on your own. Manage it in your office or maybe anywhere at home. You can even work at home anywhere. That you live, you can work over there. You want to work like that. We have a method for you. We have a plan for you. If you have nothing, but you really want to work. You see, on the page, the WhatsApp button, that is up the page. Click on it. Or the WhatsApp link that is on the page. Click on it. Come into our WhatsApp platform or call me. Call me through the number that I showed up. This is the number again. Okay? Call me. When you call me, how the plan is, we will discuss it with you. But when you come in, let me know that for you, you don't have anything, but you want to go by the plan that we have. Okay? Let me know that you want to go by the plan that we have. Okay? And by the use of our plan, you use our plan, actually, you work as if you are working on your own. You get your profit all right. But just that you will not be entitled to the bonuses that those people that really brought their whatsoever invested got, all right? Yeah. You will get your profit margin, all right, okay, but you will not be entitled to the bonuses. The bonuses are more than the profit margin. Those that pay or those that bought it and reselling, their bonuses are very huge. It is the bonus that fetch a lot. The bonus, you understand? Yeah. As you are dealing in it, the bonus are what helps you. For your profit margin, we imagine it to be something small. It's not enough for you, okay? The bonuses that help you make a lot out of it, okay? Yes. If you really want to do that, get in touch with us, okay? Yeah. We need you if you are very hardworking and you also want to make living out of it. It's a lifesaver. Everybody loves to live long. If you introduce it to anywhere, they will love to go by it, because these days, okay, there are a lot of things that is happening, all right? Yeah, a lot of things that it does, all right? Yeah. With this, no joint pain, no pain of the body, no weakness here and there. People grow old and still live healthily, okay? They grow old and they are still living, okay? Yeah, because of this. This is the product. When it gets to you and you have it and you know how to deal with it, I'm telling you, money's upon money, okay? Yeah. We are not here for jokes, okay? Yeah. Those people that spoke wrongly about that, they thought that we were like those that could come on air trying to scam people. We have physical location, okay? Yeah. If you get in touch with us, we are ever ready to have you and to put our plan across, okay? For your own profitability, for your own way of life, for your own, money making, okay? It's a venture. You can enter and make a lot of money, okay? Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching me. God bless you. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.